Hey everybody, Jim from ShuckBuddy. I want to show you the operation of the ShuckBuddy sweet corn stripper. It's a great little tool. If you want to process a lot of sweet corn in a hurry, this is what you need. We can do a pickup load of corn in an hour. It's real simple. All you have to do is supply an air hose with a 90 to 110 psi. Once you have that attached, you've already got it assembled, you're ready to go. Set your ear in the corn tray, put it in, make sure you keep your left hand on top of the clear tube, and when you're ready to go, push the button. So every once in a while it'll stick. If it sticks, just hit it again and it'll go. Throw in your next ear. You can see how fast you can process corn. It is a time saver. One thing we found is if you leave the tip of the corn on there, it fits into the die better. And then a real flush cut, make sure there's not a rough stalk on the end when you're running it, so that that piston has a flat surface to strike. And just take a cleaver or something, flatten up the end of that ear. Like this one has a little bit of stalk left on it. That one's okay, but we prefer, it works better when you have a perfectly flat ear like that to process it.